Hey everyone, today we're going to see how to create a new Google account and YouTube channel perfectly. First, open the Gmail app or your phone. Click on the profile icon at the top and go to Add Another Account. Select Google, then click on Create Account and choose For My Personal Use. Now enter the name as Lanu and click Next. Next, enter your basic details like your date of birth, May 11, 2000 and gender, male to proceed. Then choose the suggested email ID lanu9165@gmail.com. Set a strong password. Click I agree to create your Google account. Now open the YouTube app. Go to the profile section and switch to the new account you just created, Lanu. Tap on Create a Channel. To set your channel's profile picture, click on the camera icon, select a lion image from your gallery and save it as your profile photo. Now just click the Create Channel button at the bottom and your channel is ready. After creating the channel, we searched Mr. Beast in the YouTube search bar and explored his channel and trending videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment.